Good day everyone! So, ngayon feature naman natin ang ating 200cc Max Type. Alright, so ang Max Type siya. This is the 12 inches Max Type. Ayan. So, ito ay na-purchase or nabili ni Sir Agoho ng Batangas. Alright, thank you so much sir sa pag-avail dito sa ating store. Nani-repair naman siya ni Sir Yololo. Thank you so much sir sa pag-repair kay Sir Agoho. Alright, so ngayon, may na-purchase si sir dito na dalawang unit. Isang green ng Scorpion at the same time, isang kulay red ng Scorpion. Alright, so focus muna tayo dito sa ating Scorpion green. And so check natin yung kanyang headlight. And this is the low and this is the high. Alright, low and off. Signal light to my left and to my right. Okay, hazard. Ayan. Busina. Yan, all is working well. Check naman natin ang kanyang starting. So forward tayo. Yan. Alright, so check lang natin sa likod. We have here the twin pipe. Yan, so dalawang po yan yung pipe natin. Check natin brake light, tail light. Signal light to my right and to my left. Ayan. So reverse natin. Ayan, then off. Check naman natin itong ang kanyang Scorpion red. Okay, so ilaw muna tayo. This is the low and high. Low and high. Oh, signal light, left and right. Hazard. Yan, busina. So check natin, start natin siya. Forward. Yan. Okay, likod, brake light. Brake light. Tail light. Yan. Signal light. Left and right. Okay. Reverse tayo. Ayan. Ayan, muli, thank you so much Sir Agoho sa pag-purchase ng dalawang unit natin. At muli, isasakay na natin to para maayos lahat. Thank you. At pawait na lang po ulit. Thank you so much.